So in this video, we're going to do a quick overview of the regression analysis data set. Recognize that it depends heavily on the header data we looked at in the other video. So I recommend taking a look at both videos for this one, as this one will be quite quick. When you pop open the regression analysis file, what you'll find is your target vectors here, as well as the EP asset ID key. This is your key to join this data set up against the header data set. And what you want to do then is filter out the nulls to make sure that you have only the wells contained within this data set. What we've done is we've filtered for a subset within the Viking area to make sure that you're targeting kind of a consistent grouping of wells, so you don't have to predict the production of every single well in every single region across Western Canada. Looking through here, you've got your EPA asset ID, your UWI vector, and then what we've got is initial production, BOE per day, oil, gas in BOE, which is converted at a rate of just 6, and then water production. And the idea here being that when you take this information, this is the it's normalized against production hours. That's what that's referring to. And the idea being we take the initial production normalized against the production hours to identify the monthly production that comes in, while correcting for in that initial period when they might turn on a well and kind of test it for a couple of hours and then turn it back off. So this will be very similar to kind of a max production field for the wells. And the idea being that this is what you can use to identify production variables. Different workflows you can go through on this. You can train against the classification information in the header, but also recognize that there is interaction between things like oil, gas, and water production, and perhaps those might impact your results. Realistically, though, that's the workflow. You join it together and start running your models against it and come up with your prediction vectors. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the forum. We'll keep an eye on them and try to answer as best as we can. And other than that, best of luck.